In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet for Teachers in 2025. Let's dive right in and simplify your online teaching process. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and go to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, look for the Sign In button, typically in the top right corner of the page. Enter your Google account credentials and log in. Once you're in Google Calendar, you'll want to create an event to schedule your class. Click on the Create option, usually found on the left-hand side of the screen, and then select Event. Now, you'll enter your class details. Start by naming your class, something specific enough for you and your students to easily identify. Next, choose the date and time for your class, making sure it doesn't conflict with other activities you might have planned. Adding guests is the next step. Simply enter the email addresses of your students or colleagues who need to attend. Don't forget to add Google Meet video conferencing to your event. This will generate a meeting link, which you can then copy and paste to share anywhere you prefer. Additionally, consider adding a description to your event. This can include class topics, materials needed, or any other relevant information students might need to prepare. Once you have all this information in place, click on the Save button, and when prompted, opt to send the invitations to your guests, which ensures everyone is on the same page. Before your class, it's important to prepare your lessons materials. Upload what you'll need, like slides, PDFs, or any notes, to Google Drive. Having these ready will make it easier to share them during your class. When it's time to start your Google Meet class, go back to Google Calendar, find your event, and click the Meet link. Doing so will bring you to the Google Meet app. Here, click Join to enter the meeting. Make sure to allow access to your microphone and camera when prompted, and double check your camera and microphone settings for a smooth experience. Once you're comfortable with everything, hit the Join button again to start engaging with your students. During the class, consider using the chat box for quick questions, enabling captions for accessibility, and encouraging students to use the raise hand feature if they wish to speak. Managing your classroom effectively is key. You can mute participants to eliminate background noise and use the More option to record the meeting. Always inform your students you are recording and save the recording to your Google Drive to share later. Finally, as you wrap up your class, summarize the key points you covered, stop the recording, and ensure to distribute any additional resources via email or your Google Drive to help reinforce what was learned. This completes your operational guide to using Google Meet as an educator. Thanks for tuning in and happy teaching.